Today I'm going to show you how to edit a plan's name in Microsoft Planner. This is a quick and useful task if you need to rename your project or update it to reflect new priorities. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Planner. Open a browser window and type in planner.cloud.microsoft, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Planner login page. From here, you'll be required to sign in if you haven't already. Just enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Once you've successfully signed in and your planner has loaded, you'll see your workspace ready to go. Now, to edit your plan's name, you first need to select the specific plan you want to work with. From the left navigation menu, click on My Plans. This will display a list of all the plans you've created or have access to. Simply select the one you wish to edit by clicking on it. This step is important because it takes you directly into the plan's overview page where all the editing options are available. Once you're on the plan overview page, the process is pretty much straightforward. Look towards the top part of your screen and you'll see the plan's drop-down menu. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, you'll directly see the plan details option. Simply click on it and a right side menu will slide open. This menu is where you can manage various settings related to your plan. In the Plan Details menu, you'll see the plan name field clearly displayed. This is where you can edit the current name. Simply click into the field, delete the old name or modify it as needed, and type in your new plan name. Once you've made your changes, the update should save automatically. This ensures that your plan now reflects the new name across your entire Planner workspace, making it easier for you and your team to identify and organize your projects. And that's it. You've successfully edited your plan's name in Microsoft Planner. This small update can make a big difference in keeping your workspace organized and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.